when we were at the park, like I was my eyes closed, and then I observed the people like we were like real kids and enjoying the moment. And there is a haunted hill house behind, and it was like a scene from a movie.
It's not so organized. Different sound.
This is the office and or the archive.
Security
Like
cameras.
Security cameras.
Yes.
This is the room that people sleep most of the time.
Oh.
And this is our post-production place.
Oh, nice. Hey. Oh, wow. Really
The
cozy,
sound
guys.
And the
Really cozy. With a snake. Bob Marley.
So doctor is a sound guy.
It's much like a play I would used to play when I was a child.
I discovered something about trusting. And when you trust, there's a space that opens to you for you, like everything, like more touchy and like more like silk. And I feel like someone touched me very slightly and like gently, like raindrops. And also there's also color. There's like black and white, and I try to find a balance between them.
Lacking before, and that was badly needed by the dreamer. This is a problem that often comes up when one meets one's other side. The shadow usually contains values that are needed by the
Imagine big space.
I think when my eyes were closed, I really enjoyed the fine line between recklessness and trustfulness, or carefulness. Also, as an actor wannabe, I've always had this trust issue with my partners, which is I think common. Though when my eyes were closed and I was just, okay, I will just trust this and I'll just trust her and just let go. If I fall down, it's okay. If I hit my head, it's okay. So it kind of made me realize that's just okay to trust someone. And even my eyes were closed even when I was only, like the cars was passing. I knew that I was not gonna die, and I knew that I was not gonna be hurt in any kind of way. So it was nice to trust and just flow with the person.
geometry and think with your body. Don't think too much with your head. If you find that you take yourself maybe too serious with what you're doing, you have to do like a silly statue. And get closer together. Continue. Get closer, closer, closer to each other. Continue doing the same thing. You don't see each other, you don't look at each other. You continue doing as different as you can, but
Make this like a modern dance program. Modern dance program. Walking through the neighborhood. And change rules!
Yani başta korksam da daha sonra gözüm açıkken hissettiğimden daha özgür hissettim. Bu kadar yani.
At the beginning I was afraid, but then I felt more free as I used to. More freedom when my eyes are
Vou seguindo sempre sozinho, esperando encontrar o caminho onde a vida possa me levar. Finalmente vou me encontrar, me levar, eu já oi.
Woke up this morning, turned on the news. Another deadly virus. Believe that if you choose, but I won't. No, 'cause I know better than that.
say again, sir?
This is probably the most fun I've had in weeks.
What was the most fun thing?
I mean, all together today was really good experience because the ice closed dancing was. I was like shocked. I didn't think that the impact would be so big on me, to be honest. And it was nice to experience that. And I guess I really like the eyes closed dancing or like movement or finding each other and losing each other at the same time. It's much like a play I would used to play when I was a child.
Benim de var. I don't remember who, but that's really good, I think, but I don't know who.
You don't know who.